I am C. Aman Kumar. I am a faculty of Advanced ITT and ITT. um, and my topic is Tally. So, Tally is basically accounting software. So, I will like to give a brief introduction about Tally. Why Tally? Why we want to use Tally? So, Tally is one of the most popular accounting software in the world. It is used more than 20 lakh business across 100 countries today. It helps companies to record their day-to-day transaction and help them to analyze business related data. It is a financial software, is a product of ERP enterprise resource planning and used by various accounting purposes. Tally software is provided by the company called Tally Solutions Private Limited. So, which in an Indian technology company, which is an Indian technology company, where the word tally means to keep records. So let's understand what is tally, its definition, history, uses, and more. Tally is a ERP accounting software. It provides business solution. It provides business solution. It is different from manual accounting, where there are high chances of human error. When you are using a tally software, you just to input all your data and tell the software how you want the data to be processed, and the software does all the calculation for you. This data can be this data can be backed up for future use and will available to check at the click of a button. Today, Tally software is a part of small, medium, and large enterprises. Tally ERP, I think Tally ERP released 2009. And after 2009, it updated as per the need of as per the need of their customers. So I will not go very deep in Tally or which company prepared Tally. Currently, we are using Tally Prime. As you can see on the screen, I am using Tally Prime. Tally Prime is developed in the year 2020 with a easier navigation, user experience, and multitasking feature. So Tally has changed the lives of many student, entrepreneurs, and chartered accountants as it simplifies all the complex business calculations and records in invoices. The latest version is Tally Prime. Tally Prime can even generate automatic electronic invoices among other latest features. So the main features, I will discuss some features of Tally, type of Tally softwares, and some use of Tally, very little. And after that, you can see on the screen, I will create a company first of all. So first feature of Tally. This software is easy to install, simple to use, and can solve complex business function. You can create and maintain record up to 1 lakh, up to 99,999 companies. With the latest version of this software, you can now automate employee record management. With its synchronization feature, transaction and record from multiple office location automatically updated, can be updated automatically. Chartered accountants means we can use Tally for our audit for our audit. It can generate instant report for any particular month or year, which is helpful for inventory management and accounting. Tally can generate consolidated financial statement for an organization. This software also offer online assistant to help you navigate the software. And we can also get help from the company also. So, and last, it manages inventory, invoice, sales, purchase records, and many more. Not it is not limited to this. It is more than that. Type of Tally software is single user, multi-user. You know. And now users of Tally. Tally is a digital accounting book where you can enter your debits and credits without manually writing them and calculating them in a physical book. You can enter your entries in the same way digitally, like lasers. In Tally, we create lasers. Lasers in Tally, two lasers are already created. That one is cash and profit and loss account. Vouchers, advantage of Tally, and several vouchers, counter voucher, payment voucher, receipt voucher, sales voucher, and purchase vouchers. Yeah, several vouchers. Advantage of Tally. I will discuss two, three advantages. Tally helps in calculating the salaries of employees who employees means Tally Prime by our organization, including net deduction, bonuses, tax deduction. Tally is used in banking industry to calculate the interest on loan deposits. This is this software makes complex calculation easier and making much simpler. The software ensures that data entered across all geographical location remains accurate and consistent. This means organizations are spread globally. We will inform uniform data. We will see uniform data in the software in all the country. It is also a budget friendly. It is also a budget friendly also. So it is also budget friendly. This is all about a Tally as a software, and now we will come to the practical part, how we use Tally, how we use Tally. So first and foremost, I will uh, you can look on you can have a look on the screen. First and foremost, I will move on. That's the software company. Then I am already in a company, so I will choose this option create. So this is a company. So we are creating a new company. First of all, you can see that company data path. Data path shows us that where our data is stored, where our file is stored. So first of all, company name. Company name. I am putting my name only. Company mailing address will be same as Aman and company. Then address where main ten Dhanbad. Then state first. Press first letter of your state, then you will get the name. So my state is Jharkhand, so I will press J. Two names, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, and other also like Gujarat having J, Punjab and Rajasthan. So J for Jharkhand. Pin code is 826001. Telephone, if you have, if you want to put a telephone number, then you can definitely put telephone or mobile number. I'm not putting for privacy purpose. Mobile number. You can put fax. Email ID, you can put email ID relating to your company. Website, if your company is having a website, then you put a website address. Then financial year beginning from. So financial year is beginning from 1st April 2025, book beginning from 1st April 2025. And this is a very latest and new feature of enable edit log. We will I will not enable it, but I will give you a brief introduction about what is edit log. So edit log in India, an edit log is a feature also known as in accounting. We had heard the word audit trail. So audit trail basically means the keep and record if keep a record. So it is mandatory for companies who use accounting software like Tally and any other software to maintain its books of account. From 1st April 2023, they have to maintain books of accounts in a software which have a feature of edit log, which cannot be. So in this, we are seeing that yes and no feature is option is available. But from 1st April 2023, the software should be customized, means enabled. We don't get the option of yes or no. It is enabled. When the edit log is enabled, if any entry is changed, if any entry is changed, revised after original entry, mean first we put entry, and after a few days we realize that oh we have put it. wrong quantity, wrong amount, wrong rate, wrong party name, anything, then it will keep a track. Means first it will show like first version or original version and then updated version. And then in that it will compare. In Tally, it is shown in red. If previously in original, I put the amount as 10,000 rupees per piece, and later for any reason, later I reduce that amount or increase that amount, then it will show that original amount was 10,000 and again revised amount is 11,000 or suppose 9,000, and it will definitely it will show when we enable this feature, it will definitely show. So Tally edit log is that feature that we can keep a track whether any tempering has been done or not, or any change has been done in the books of accounts. So Vault password security for security is very much important in our day-to-day life and in organization also for protecting after data. So this is a vault password, and then control if it, we will not put vault password but control user access. Yes, I will put this option yes, and username. So I am putting my name only, username, and password is 1234 1234. So control user access is very important. We have to create a username and password, and we have to remember the password and username. It is very much important, otherwise we will not be able to access our data. We will not be able to access our data. And press enter, it will show forgetting your password will render your data inaccessible. Okay, then enable audit feature, yes, to enable audit features. Disallow opening in educational method, no, we will not disallow. So we'll put no. Then base currency, whatever currency earlier I told you that it is used in more than 20 countries. So there may be dollar or anything. So base currency is rupees and INR. Then I will accept this as yes. Okay. Cannot perform action another company in the same name. Okay. I have created a company with the same name, so I will change this name Raman and S company. Raman and S company. Okay. Change the same. Then I will use direct function control A to accept. It is a shortcut to accept control A. So you can all see that company name Aman and S company, because Aman and company was already created. So I created Aman and S company. Username is Aman. We all know. And the password is 1234. Then first and foremost is first we will get a display of features. What are the features in Tally we are getting? Is account related to accounting, inventory, taxation, online access, payroll, and others. All features are in showing here. So maintain bill by bill. Okay, enable bill by entry. Okay, cost center I'm not enabling. Enable interest calculation. Interest calculation is very important in day-to-day life. When we want to pay debtors and debtor is charging any interest, then in the laser, when we create laser, we'll put the interest rate. So I will enable the interest rate calculation is yes. And same for the creditor also, when we want to pay uh, creditor, then we can calculate the interest, how much amount we paid to the creditor. Then inventory, maintain inventory, no problem. Integrate account with inventory, okay. Multiple price level, batch, job tracking, cost tracking, job costing. Use discount column in invoice. Use separate actual and billed quantity in invoice. Taxation is very important. Enable GST. Yes, we will enable GST. Then we will get a so registration status is active. Okay, Jharkhand is the state. Regular composition, regular means every month we have to file the return, and many more regular, many more thing in regular composition. We all know composition, person or a firm or a entity having turnover up to, yeah, or less than 1.5 crore, then they can opt for composition scheme and pay, but they are not allowed to take input tax credit. So other SSC of other tax, no, we will put simply our GST number. You can put your GST number, then periodicity of GST R1. R1 filing is monthly. Invoice, e-invoices as per rule of GST on e-invoices. All businesses having a turnover or turnover exceeding 5 crore have to generate e-invoices. So I'm not making that my company is having a turnover more than 5 crores, so not an invoice. E-way bill applicability. E-way bill is where applicable goods, when we transport goods from one place to another and have the goods having a value more than 50,000 or exceed the value of 50,000, then e-way bill is applicable from, yes, interstate, yes, interstate, yes. Then set alter GST rate and other details. I'm not setting here GST rate because if my company is having different goods and have different goods, and different goods have different rates. If a company is having different rates, then I'm not setting here. I will set with the item only. TDS, yes, yes, enable the TDS. We'll put the TAN number. TAN number is 4 alpha 5, sorry, 4, yes, 4 alpha 5 numeric and 1 alpha A B C D 1 2 3 4 5 G, same A B G D 1 2 3 4 5 G. Data type can be company or individual, no problem. Branch, Dhanbad. It is very important. Self data details of person responsible. It is very important. We can my name only, my designation, tax officer. Yes. So I can put my PIN, address, area, location, Jharkhand, mobile number. Mobile number, person responsible detail can be also generated. All the above details will be used in challan and forms and returns. Okay, no problem. Ignore IT exemption limit or TDS. No, activate TDS on stock, and same for TCS also will get that option. IT exemption. And again, excise. And same. Enable browser access for report. Browser access means we can access our reports from anywhere, anywhere from the globe. Enable Tally.net service for remote access and synchronization. Yes, we can have that access. Maintain payroll. Yes, payroll. We want to maintain payroll. Yes. Enable payroll statutories. Payroll statutory include PF, pension, NPS, income tax deduction, all this. Yes, then we will get. Then we can provide company code, account group, security code, employee state insurance, national pension scheme, income tax. TAN will be same for income tax, circle or ward, then bar, circle. Here deductor type is government. No, we are not a government company, so others uh, deductor type, name of person responsible. The same will be generated. Same will be used in challan also. Okay, no problem. Enable payment. We can also request to share payment links or QR codes. Enable payment multiple address. No. Then we'll press Control A. So previous company is also seen. So by clicking on that, we can get on that company. So I want to start this company. So start which company? Aman company I want to start. So you can see there is no name of Aman company. So this is the main dashboard. It for gateway of this is called gateway of tally. Current period, we can see current period of current financial year, 1st April 2025 to 31st March 26. Current date is 1st April 2025 as I am using in a software. So first it will say it will reflect 1st April only. Then masters what we are getting. In master we will create alter chart of accounts. This is the main, any laser we want to create, we can use this option. We have to use this option only to create any laser. Anything we want to create, we can use this option. Transaction will be done in vouchers. They will reflect, they will show us the transaction done in a day. Banking balance sheet report, balance sheet, profit loss, stock summary, ratio analysis. I talked ratio analysis is very important for doing the position of the company, as well as the balance sheet and profit loss shows the position and profitability of the company. Display more, you can get more reports like accounting trial books, trial balance, day book, cash flow, account books, statement of accounts, inventory books, statement of inventory, statutory report is very much important. Statutory GST report. GST report is also very important. So for going back, have to press not backspace, but we have to press escape option. TDS report, TCS payroll. Payroll, whatever we seen earlier, is that summary, provident fund, employee state, professional tax, national pension scheme, gratuity, income tax. MSME, MSAB is very important nowadays because we have to put a track on the companies which falls in the category of MSME, and we have to pay them as per the rules defined by the government. If we are unable to pay them on that uh, specific day or within that limit, then we will have to face the consequences. Payroll report, exception report is also one of the feature. Exception report is very useful. Cancel voucher. We can get the list of all the cancel voucher here. Optional voucher is also, we can get the list of all the optional voucher cancel post dated vouchers. Negative laser is also one of the very nice or very good feature. We can get the value. Suppose a item having a item generally have a credit balance, but it is showing in a debit. Then it is negative laser. We have to track. Negative stock is also one of the very good feature because a negative stock shows us that overbilling has been done, over sale of the stock has been done. Because suppose in my stock I have purchased 10 books and I have built 11 books, means one book is overbilled. Overdue of receivable, overdue payables. Analysis and verification is very much important for the all the students who will go after completing this IT training. It is very much important and very much helpful for you all. Analysis, data analysis is very important. Voucher verification of chart of account means we can get not used lasers. One laser not verified. We can get the list. Here the comparison is also done whether this in Aman and S company current year we have having this laser, but whether in previous year we were having that laser or not, whether this is a fresh laser created this year only, then we can ask the management why this laser is created, why not earlier it was created. Then we can get the explanation, and also whatever company has to or the management has to explain. So there may be chances that previously it was done not to not to temper, or there may be some negative intention behind it. But now they have created a laser to regulate or to simplify the transaction. So then verification of balance, it is also important. Previous year, what the balance was, a current year, during the year balances, analytical procedure. We can compare laser to laser, means current year laser as compared with previous year. Means basically we can compare here with expenses. Suppose rent is 1 lakh in current year, and in previous year rent was 60,000. Then we can ask the management about why there is a huge increase, why there is a increase in the rent. Please show me the rent paper, agreement paper. And if they are unable or they will produce, then you have to uh, verify by books, by bank statement, whether the amount is paid or just increase has been put in the interest has just been put in this software. And there pending documents, we can get pending orders, purchase books, pending bills, outstandings. periodic payment and receipt, direct expenses. Repeated transaction is also very much important. Repeated transaction, interbank transaction, cash withdrawal and deposit, cash withdrawal limit and deposit limit. Fixed asset analysis is also very much important, and it is also used in our used for audit purpose also. Number of days, less than 180 days, more than 180 days, addition, deletion. It is very helpful for us for while preparing our financial statement. Transaction on holiday. It is a very important feature for analyzing why transaction done on the holiday. Why transaction? Why there is a need to do transaction on a holiday? We have to verify as auditor. We have to verify and clarify why there is a transaction and why it occurred on holiday. The management have to give a very specific and a clarified manner, very specific and clarified and a genuine means genuine reason. Highest lowest value transaction, we can by as auditor or as a article in our form when we get the transaction and our boss said that please verify what is the highest value of transaction done by the company, then simply we can check this data analysis and we can get that result. Otherwise we have to scroll down and check. There are more than lakh transaction, how we can check? But by simply using this feature or this data analysis feature, we can get that highest as well as lowest. And there is, it also shows the difference range and difference in range percentage. Pending advances, still check means the check which validity has expired more than 3 months has after 3 months. Voucher verification, related party transaction, we have to do in this. This is done for audit purpose. We suppose there are 90,000 vouchers entered. We verify 10,000, 15,000. Yeah, less than 15,000. We can put a sample percentage and we can get a internal observation also why this entry has been done, and we can put our clarification also. So these are the feature. I will not go very deep, otherwise it will take a long time. First, I will start by creating a laser. In laser, we will get uh, all the options like counting master, currency, laser, counting master group, laser, currency, voucher type, inventory master, stock group, stock category, stock item, unit, go down, payroll, employee group, employee units, attendance, pay heads, payroll vouchers, statutory GST registration, classification, TDS, nature of payment, TDS, TCS, nature of goods, statutory details, company GST detail, TDS, PAN, CIN. We can also enable this show more and show inactive. Then we can get that all inactive is cost center. We have not enabled cost center, merchant profile, payment request, price label, price list. We can also make a price list. Means suppose uh, there is a sale of suppose we got an order which is in between 1 to 10, then we will charge 1100 price. More than 10 but less than 50, we will charge 950. This way we can create a list. Employee attendance, payroll type, GST. So first of all we will start with laser. And one more thing, already there are 28 groups and two lasers in Tally. Already two lasers are created. One is cash and another one is profit and loss account. Another one is profit and loss account. Okay, one is cash and another one is profit and loss account. And anything we want to export, we can get this option. Export GST return, masters, transactions. You can go by transaction export. Option is also configure. We can get that in another format like all vouchers. Okay, all vouchers. Okay, XML data entries. We can change the format also. You can change the export format also. Digital signature export path part can be also changed. XML, okay. And so more feature. You will get all the unnecessary transaction. Okay, no problem. This is for export and import also. You can import our transaction, bank details, GST return, manage and configure. Okay. So first we will start with create option. Create laser. First capital. No, you don't want to calculate interest in this. So control A is the basic. Control A is accept. And another is access. I will create a bank. Name access bank. Under bank account, we can get the option whether it is OD, OCC account, OC account, bank account. Then if we are getting an interest, it is saving on. We will do the interest calculation and can get that option with yes. Interest calculation, bank, we are recorded, voucher date, bank record, okay. When this is a very important, include transaction date of for interest calculation for amount added. Yes, when amount added, we enable the option yes. Then when if suppose we made a transaction on first April, it will take it will start calculation from 1st April only. If we know, then it will start calculation from 2nd April. Deducted is the same in the same way also. When we make payment, then it will not calculate for that day. But if we amount deducted, we yes, and it will calculate. It will calculate for that day also. Here we can, I will not even know. Account number, code, IFSC, branch, check printing is also enabled. So control A to two lasers. We have created one for capital account, one for uh, access bank. Another, suppose expenses means rent expenses. Rent is expenses, so it will under indirect expenses. Here we get the categories, indirect expenses, whether any not applicable, interest calculation, not applicable GST. So we can apply GST, but we will not charge GST as per company details as per the service. Rent is a service, okay. So directly we can control A for accept, like printing expenses. So indirect also service, okay. For GST and for GST we have to make CGST laser CGST. It will not come under indirectly, it will come under duties and taxes. Because we have to pay government duties and taxes, then GST, CGST is fuel service, CGST, no calculation, no percentage, TDS, save, control of S, GST, other, so GST option, S, GST, save. We have created CNS and I will create IGST, GST, okay, IGST option, okay, 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 great, okay. So we have basically created four lasers. Okay, I will create one for discount, discount and discount is a allowed is a indirect expense. So this type of laser is a discount laser. Okay, control A, discount received, that expense, but claim discount and control A. So we in Tally will define our lasers in a such a manner that it can in longer period will not create any trouble for us only, because if we created just one ledger for discount, we'll put both entries, debit, credit, but final balance will be whether debit or credit, but we'll not get the actual. So how much discount we received and how much discount we allowed. So for better understanding, we will create in a very niche manner, very ground level ledgers. So we created IGST, SGST, CGST, discount allowed, discount received. One purchase ledger. Purchase, we can create like purchase at the rate 12%. Okay, purchase under purchase account. Something like applicable. Mhm. Isn't applicable. Yes, applicable as per company to report this as goods. Okay, goods. Very important goods. But okay, sales laser at the rate 18%. Sales account. Let's no, we are same purchase and sales we have created. Purchase sales. Okay. After purchase sales, we will do stock. Okay, we will create some stock items. So stock item group category. First is the group. Group means broad. Suppose we are dealing in garments or ready-made garments. So ready-made garments is or clothing is a group under which category is a boys, means men's, women's, the category and item. So group is garments. To save, go back by escape, then category men's wear, men's wear, and bullying. Right. Okay, two category created, men's and men. Stock item will like means shirt, shirt 39, be specific, 9 inch. Okay, there may be many. So it is under the category garments, then category menswear. Unit we will create directly from your units. Suppose NOS numbers or numbers. Okay, numbers, no problem. Numbers, then numbers is GST. Yes, we will specify here only. Means there may be some chances whether this may fall under any other rate. So stock item details we will provide here HSN 1231 description H is problem. Specify details here, taxable. Suppose we have created a sale of 18% and purchase of it 12. So we'll purchase this as 12. GST rates, goods, rate of duty. If they have any opening balance, they can put here. So save. Second is women's wear. We will purchase kurta, men's. Same way garment, women's wear, numbers already created, no need. Define details here. Some description, KPH, specify details here. Taxable 18% goods. Yes, totally accept. Two item we created. Now we will purchase that items and see whether automatic GST comes or not. So we'll put entry in. First, we will see how many ledgers we created. Chart of account ledgers. Now 28 groups. Initially there was only two ledgers. Now 13 ledgers. As per the category, access is under bank account, cash in hand. Okay, reserves means capital account Aman, duties and taxes CSI, provisions and suspense. Okay, expense, discount allowed, discount received, printing expenses, rent, purchase at the rate 12%, then we will have sales at the rate 18%. First entry, we will put entry vouchers. First entry, we will put in vouchers now. First, we have to introduce capital. So for introducing capital, we can introduce in receipt F6. First of all, I will explain these options also. Date is for F2. When we press F2, we can change the date. When we press Alt F2, we can change the period. So we can change the period, no problem. Second is company. We can get the details. We can change company from here. Contra is for F4. We all know what is contra. When we put cash in bank or withdraw, when we transfer cash to bank or bank to cash. Payment then receipt when journal with sales purchase and other vouchers include my in like any other voucher which is not here. So like manufacturing vouchers, we can create our customized voucher. So account from where we are getting access. Okay. Yes, this is we can change also view mode here double double H double line uh, under H. It defines control plus H, single entry double entry. It is single entry, so we will do in double entry. Okay, vouchers double entry we have done. Change the mode. Okay, we can do in single entry also, in double entry also. So we again change the mode, control H, single entry, count is access, we get the access, particular is cash, putting cash. But before this, we can do introduce capital. I said, introduce capital means we can go in vouchers, journal. Okay, journal is showing Aman, buy Aman, cash, debit 1 lakh, money means cash to capital. What we buying to. Okay, cash to capital. We can put narration being capital used to first is journal, then uh, some contra entry because we have cash, so we will put in excess amount from cash. Okay, 70,000 in bank. Cash automatic ticket. Oh, we have to put the denomination 100 with 700. So previously, if we put 6,500, it will show a difference of 5,000. Means some more entries will done. Means the balance is not tallying. So we have to put this whether proper matching is done or not. When we put 700 matched, then the bank name and all, like Axis Bank, bank name to create access. Okay, being contra done. Okay, control A. So two entries. Then first of all we will purchase Invoice supplier, invoice one, date, automatic, party name, will purchase with bank only. Then here we have to check. If we want to take GST input, and here we'll go in regular, otherwise unregistered. Very important. Purchase at the 12%. Item we created places space. Shirt 39 inch, quantity 10, rate 1500. Discount if you want to put discount at 10% discount also. First we'll put discount. So we have purchased, we will receive discount, receive, enter, automatically discount comes. Then again we'll put GST. So it is from cash, S GST comes after discount, C GST. So we get this. Okay. Here we can add more item in the same entry only. Okay. So we will add again kurta for women's 15 pieces, 500. Okay. Amount changes as accordingly. But discount doesn't change because discount is only taken in shirt 39 inch. We will take discount as 5%, then discount also changes 1875. This is automatic calculation. It doesn't take any time. Within fraction of second, we get all that necessary. Yes. Okay, we will check like purchase by check amount in the check range is now instrument number 001. Okay, this way it is also maintained. Transaction is also maintained with checks and record of archive being purchased. Yeah, okay, control A. So after purchase, we can go to day book and check the entries. We have done 3 entries. By for selecting, we press space and then shift enter. All entries will be shown expand. This is just basically for expanding. Okay, 70,000 first cash. So being capital introduced, then contract, and then purchase. Okay, stock summary we can get garments as the group, and under garments is kurta for women, 10 pieces, 15 pieces for women, kurta for women's, and shirt 39. But one thing is that purchase we have made for 12%, but GST rate was different. I think GST rate was, yes, it is for 12% no change. But kurta GST rate was control intercom directly, 12%. To lasting current date of the week, yes, yes, control A, yes. Then you can see the amount changes. It's 1237. Otherwise, it was 18%. It was 1400 something. Again, I will show you. Control enter directly. We go into the laser and then 18%. Okay. Now the amount is 1237.50. Then we get this to 18%. Yes, yes, yes. Why? Then the amount changes. What is the 1237, I think, and now 1451. Then again, I will otherwise it will go wrong. So make it 12% only. Why 12%? I will explain why 12%. Why 12%? Because we have created a laser name purchase at the rate 12%. If we purchased at the rate 12% and enter any purchase which is not at the rate 12%, means the rate of GST is not 12%, then it will get wrong. So we want to segregate the items. So how much means how many items we have purchased which falls under the GST rate of 12%. All entries will be done at in purchase at the rate 12%. So this is the entry. Control is save. Okay, 3 entries done. Again, we will put an entry of sale. Okay, say for sale effort, we have to press effort, sale. Sale through bank only. Again, I will show. This is for eBay bill. Delivery note, dispatch number, dispatch through means van, truck, anything. Destination, we will put destination, carrier name, Sanjay Transport, Ram Transport, Hira Transport, anything. Bill of lading is not for this. Vehicle number is very important. Vehicle number and date. I will also make a sale of value more than 50,000. Then you can understand eBay bill concept. Regular. If unregistered, then no GST. Regular control, accept 18% sale laser. It will get kurta. Women. It is also saying kurta is 15 pieces. Okay. Kurta. I will sell 10, 2,500. Okay, 25,000. Discount 2%. But here is also a catch that kurta is of 12%. So we cannot sell this for 18%. No problem. We can change this laser 12% only. Okay, 12%. Okay, 2,500. Then means shirt. You can see the effect of negative stock 12 pieces. It will show negative stock minus 2. It will show negative stock. So 8 pieces. 8 pieces. 8 rate 3,500. It exceed 50,000. Then we will get a notification related to e-way bill. 5%. Okay. Discount. What we are giving discount allowing. Will get so 1,400 plus 500, 1,900 discount allowed. Then CSIs. CGST automatically calculated, SGST automatically calculated. Okay, we get the option provide GST e-way bill details. Yes, then we get dispatch from SIP or dispatch from eBay bill number automatically comes. Dispatch from transporter name, transporter ID, mode, road, rail, air, ship. Road not applicable. We are checking. Enter check or DD. Check or DD means we are getting check or DD instrument. Will enter and control A. Do you want to generate send voucher detail for e-way bill generation? No, because we don't have the transporter details. Two entries done. Profit loss that it comes. Okay. Sale is for 15. Okay. Closing balance is 5,000 for garments. Purchase is 2,200. Gross profit is and expenses set off means actually we have allowed 1,900 and get a discount of 1,875 means 25 rupees is a lost in profit. So that's all for today, and I'm concluding this session, and next session I will try to explain further more related to tally. So thank you very much for patiently seeing my class. Thank you very much. Thank you.